We are super excited about our latest customer review. We work very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients. And here is what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment to quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and our unmatched quality are our specialties. We appreciate you taking time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.